Okay, so this is after my hair is completely steamed. Oh, my skin feels wonderful and my hair feels wonderful. So this is how it turned out after I steamed my hair. Now I take it down and this is how, look at that. Wow, look at that. Oh my, oops, let me take the clip out. My hair feels extraordinary. Wow, look at my color, my natural color comes through. Look how my hair is just loving it. Oh, it feels so hydrated and so good. So this is the results of, the steam. You can see how moisturized it is and how flexible it is. It has that snap back. Even though I have locks, my hair is soft. Like this is the baby hairs. And by the way, I do not dye my hair. So this is all my gray hair. If it looks like something is in it, like it's white, that's gray. So I don't dye my hair. I don't put any heat other than steam in my hair. I don't blow it dry. I don't flat iron it. I don't hot curl it. What I naturally curl it, just like right now, I'm getting ready to braid my hair. Or sometime if I want to have it curly, I will roll it with sponge rollers. But this is the perfect time. It's just damp enough for me to now take it and braid it. And once it's dry completely, then I take the braids out and it has that crinkly look. I do have a video on my YouTube channel that shows the whole process of me caring for my hair with my products, braiding my hair, and then the results of what that looks like. So I will have the link in the description box on where you can look at that video. It's a playlist. It's a list of, I think, 6 videos. It's a series. So anyway, I just wanted to share with you. Oh my goodness, I tell you. So my challenge, I challenge myself, if you'd like to join me for once a week for the year to steam my hair. And I want to see how long it gets and how healthy it gets after a year. So far I've been pretty faithful. It's been good. So I will put all the link in the description and the links to my products and the website and all that in the description box. So you all have a great day and get to steaming.